Welcome to EDUC 310 Preschool Methods and Materials, a part of the Child Development major. The goal of this class is to prepare you for the preschool classroom. We want you to leave this class ready to enter a preschool classroom with practical skills so that when you graduate and get a job working with children, young children particularly, we want you to feel like I can do this. And so that's our goal here. And there are 4 specific goals that we're going to work towards during this class. Our first goal is for you to demonstrate an understanding of developmentally appropriate practices for preschoolers. So for a preschooler, based on their cognitive, physical, spiritual, and so on, all these forms of development, how do you adapt a classroom, activities, surroundings, so that these children are set up for success in academics? And so that is our first goal. Our second goal is for students, you, to interpret how constructivist philosophy works in a preschool classroom. And so we will talk about what constructivism is and how to practically apply that to the preschool environment. Our third goal is for you to demonstrate an understanding of laws and current issues that are impacting the preschool classroom and preschoolers outside of the classroom. Education is changing, the world is changing, kids are growing up faster than they used to through access to the internet, and so we're going to talk about how those things impact preschoolers and the classroom. And our final goal is for you to demonstrate a professionalism with Christ-centered, service-focused attitude in all your interactions with students, with preschoolers, their parents, your coworkers, administrators. We want you to know, how do I do this preschool thing while leading other people to Jesus through my professional attitude? And so those are our 4 goals for this class. There is a text for our class. It's called Preschool Appropriate Practices, and you will get this book, and this will actually be the outline for our course, and so it's pretty important. Now you'll notice that as you read the syllabus and discover that we will be focused on centers in this class. Centers are really integral part of a preschool classroom, and so we're going to explore that. And each chapter in this book is focused on a different type of center, so that is going to be our outline for our course. As we learn about different centers, you'll be creating these centers, interacting with these centers, and so I'm excited to explore that with you. And also we'll be exploring different topics related to the preschool classroom, like curriculum, lesson planning, laws and current issues, and so on. And so our major assignments during this class, there are a couple of them. The first is your centers portfolio. So like I said, that our text is all about centers, and each week you'll be creating centers, and then at the end of the class you will gather all those centers you've created into one final document. So this is a large assignment, but it will be broken down throughout the weeks, and then you will gather it together at the end. And so that's our first thing, is our centers portfolio. The next thing is the preschool experience. During this class, you will have the opportunity to not only observe in a preschool classroom, but also lead an activity. And so you'll see in your syllabus that you are to identify a Georgia Lottery preschool and get permission, and then have the opportunity to actually observe there and lead a lesson. And so that's a pretty big part of our class. Also, you'll have weekly assignments that go with the topics that we're going to be learning about. So you'll have assignments like a curriculum comparison assignment. You're going to review articles about current issues. You're going to create a preschool floor plan, and you'll see these items listed in your syllabus, and you'll also see what the due dates are for those things. Also, every week we'll have discussion posts, and a discussion post is an opportunity for you to reply to a question or an assignment, and then your classmates get to respond to you. And so this is a really great opportunity for you to learn from your classmates and to put into practice the things that we're learning on during our Tuesday class and also online. So we will meet every Tuesday for class from 6 to 8 o'clock. And that will be online. However, the first 2 weeks of class we will not meet. The first week is July 4th, and we will enjoy our holiday, but you will have assignments to take the place of that class time. And also the following week, I will be out of town on a mission trip, and so those assignments will also be completely online. And then the third week, we'll finally get to meet face-to-face online so that we can begin to get to know one another and continue to explore how to do preschool and how to succeed in the preschool classroom. You can check out your syllabus to see a list of the specific due dates. Most of your discussion posts are due on day 5 of the week. I think there's just one that's not due on day 5. And also you have plenty of reading to do and videos, and there are different breakdowns of due dates. So for example, for the preschool experience, you won't turn that all in at the end of the class. You'll turn that in sporadically throughout the class. And so make sure to check out the syllabus. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm super excited not only to learn from you, but to just share about preschool with you as we discover how do we lead preschool in a way that not only provides the academic and the emotional support that our students need and their families, but also teaching them who Jesus is in the process. I'm super excited to take this journey with you.